Carmen Mejia's 22-year nightmare is finally over, as a Texas court has dismissed a 2003 murder charge against her, acknowledging that she was wrongly convicted of a crime that never happened. The Innocence Project, which represented Mejia, says new evidence proved her actual innocence, but the question remains, how did the justice system fail her so badly? Mejia's case began with a tragic accident. A 10-month-old infant in her care suffered critical burns from scalding bathwater due to a water heater in her rental home that lacked safety technology. Despite evidence suggesting the incident was an accident, Mejia was convicted of murder and spent 2 years in prison. The Texas Court of Criminal Appeals overturned her convictions on January 22, 2026, finding that new evidence established her actual innocence. Vanessa Potkin, Mejia's Innocence Project attorney, stated, "While we are overjoyed that the courts finally recognize that Ms. Mejia is innocent, this grave injustice should have never happened in the first place." Sarah Byram, Assistant District Attorney, Travis County District Attorney's Office, acknowledged the failure of the justice system, saying, "Ms. Mejia, today we acknowledge that our office failed you. The state pursued and obtained a conviction against you for what we now understand was a tragic accident, and that failure cost you over 20 years of your life." Mejia was finally freed from the Travis County Correctional Complex on March 11, 2026, after the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement lifted an immigration hold stemming from her wrongful conviction. Carmen Mejia's exoneration is a powerful reminder of the devastating consequences of wrongful convictions, and the need for continued scrutiny of the justice system. For more in-depth reporting on the stories that matter, subscribe to NewsAnarchist and follow us for updates on the fight for justice and accountability.